Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand your display adapter section and right click on your graphics card and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting done, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 consists of 3 steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, search for NVIDIA services. As you can see here listed over here, just double click on it one by one. Click on this drop down in startup type and set this to automatic and select apply. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to select the start option and then select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same for other NVIDIA services listed over here. Automatic. If the service stopped, then you just need to select start and select apply and OK. Select this to automatic, and if the service stopped, then you just need to select start and select apply and OK. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type system configuration. Click on open it. Select services tab and check mark hide all Microsoft services. In here, you just need to make sure to check mark NVIDIA services. You just need to check mark it. NVIDIA FrameView SDK service and NVIDIA local system container service and NVIDIA display containers LS. Just need to check mark all of these NVIDIA service listed over here and then select apply and OK for save changes. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to search for NVIDIA Corporation folder and you just need to double click on the GeForce Experience folder and now right click on the cache folder over here and select delete it. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to uninstall and reinstall the GeForce Experience. To do this, go to search menu and type GeForce Experience. Right click on it and select uninstall. Search for GeForce Experience. Click on the 3-dot icon next to the GeForce Experience and select uninstall and select uninstall again. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Chrome and search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Press enter. Select the first link. Select the download now option. And it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. After installing the GeForce Experience, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.